Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on making a resume website using a popular website building platform. In this tutorial, you will learn how to quickly create a professional resume website that showcases your background, skills, and experiences. We begin by directing you to the home page of the website building platform. Once you have reached the home page, you will need to locate the login option, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. This is your first interaction with the website, so take your time to find the login area. After clicking on the login button, the next action is to choose the login option that utilizes your online account. You will see a button inviting you to continue with your larger account service, such as the one provided by a well-known search engine provider. Select this option and then choose the account you wish to use for the website creation process. This simple method allows you to streamline the authentication process and start building your website effortlessly. With your account verified and login complete, you now need to navigate to the section of the website where you can create new pages. Locate the pages section of your account dashboard. Once there, identify the option that allows you to add a new page. This area in your dashboard is designed to help you keep your website organized. When you opt to add a new page, you are essentially initiating the core process of building your resume website. The process now moves to adding content. Begin by assigning a title to your new page. A good title for this page could be something straightforward and professional, such as My Resume. The title is important because it immediately informs visitors about the purpose of the page. Once the title is in place, begin to add more details about yourself. Take this opportunity to describe who you are, what you do, the passions that drive you, and your hobbies or interests. By including these details, you provide a personal touch to your website that will help you connect with potential employers or collaborators. The next stage involves enhancing your page with visual content. Look for the icon that represents the addition of new media, often shown as a plus symbol. Click on this icon to attach an image to your resume page. Choose an appealing image that reflects your professional personality, whether it is a professional headshot or another picture that resonates with your personal brand. The inclusion of an image helps to create a visual association with your resume, making your website more engaging for visitors. After adding an image, you will repeat a similar process to attach a file. Once again, click on the plus icon to open the media edition options, and then attach a file to your page. In this case, you will be uploading your resume in a PDF format. The platform typically offers options to either upload the file directly from your computer or to select one from your media library. Choose the option that best suits your current setup and add your PDF resume to the page. Finally, once you have added all the necessary elements, your title, personal details, image, and PDF file, it is important to make your changes available online. Look for the Save or Publish button that is usually located at the top right corner of the editing screen. Click this button to preserve the work you have just completed, or to publish your website so that it is visible to the public. Congratulations, you have now completed the process of creating a resume website using this platform, all within a brief period of time. Enjoy sharing your new online resume with the world.